All right, so this is literally 5 minutes after I started. On this truck, we blew the head gasket between 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the head gasket blew right here. And if we take a look where the liner sits, there's a huge difference in height. And the reason the layout fluid is nice is because it shows us that. So we can see that it's a lot lower here than it is here. That's why it's super important to cut the counterbores. But the cool thing about the layout fluid is we can see this kind of stuff that normally you can't see. As far as erosion around water grommets and stuff, that's typical, you have that, but it's kind of nice. The layout fluid gives you a snapshot of exactly what's going on with the deck. This particular deck is lower in the middle and higher there. Now, I'm not sure if that's from metal fatigue, maybe it is, maybe that's just what happens over time to get the deck nice and flat to the counterbores.